What's up guys, Roy here, and once again welcome back to our universe. So as you all know that how much big a fanboy am I of the Samsung Galaxy S series and the Note series. So finally we are getting the real world photos that confirm the Samsung next flagship phone, that is known as Samsung Galaxy S20. So there will be no Samsung Galaxy S11. Instead, Samsung is jumping ahead of the S20. Rumors had been swirling about the branding change in recent weeks, and today, XDA developers published the first real-world shots of the Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus, and the phone startup screen confirms the new name. Maybe Samsung is naming by year now, and we also see that the front of the device has center hole punch cutout that's similar to the selfie shooter from the Galaxy Note 10 Plus or the Galaxy Note 10. Both of the device had a small hole punch out in the center of the screen. So Samsung has significantly toned down the curved sides of the Galaxy S10 and S10 Plus, with XDA source saying that the S20 Plus feels largely flat in hand, and this is going to be amazing. On the back, we get a look at Samsung's large camera array for the S20 Plus, which is rumored to contain a regular wide lens, an ultra wide, a portrait, and a macro lens as the new fourth option. On the back is also new of the more optimistic, hopeful, and confidential sticker I have ever seen. It is actually just flat out and says do not leak info. So much for that. Samsung will unveil entire line of Samsung Galaxy S20 devices at its Unpacked event on the February 11th, including multiple screen sizes and some models with 5G connectivity. The company's next foldable phone, perhaps that will be called Samsung Galaxy Bloom, is also to be debuted next month. So Samsung Galaxy S20 is looking amazing. So this is the S20 Plus 5G version. So there will be lot of excitement for this phone. Even eventually the back of the phone is not that pretty good like the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus model or the S10 model or the Note model, but it's pretty good because we are going to get a lot of new features. And I was literally influenced by this confidential sticker that really said that no photo allowed, not for sale, do not leak info and all. Okay, so now let's talk about the pricing. The table even lists the camera specs of all three Galaxy S20 handsets, reminding us the Galaxy S20 Ultra will probably be the only S20 version to sport Samsung's first periscope zoom. Interestingly, Phone Arena also lists availability details for the three phones. But let's talk about the pricing, as it is very important for a smartphone, especially for a flagship smartphone, at what price they are offering their latest flagship. So price are also listed in the table. It's $799 for S20, it's $999 for S20 Plus 5G version, and it's almost $1,099 for the S20 Ultra. But once again, we have no idea whether we are looking at the guesses based on the last year's Galaxy S10 pricing structure or freshly leaked details. So as we get closer to the S20 launch event next month, we will learn more about all these three handsets, including actual prices and its releases dates. So that's all for today. Please hit the like button, subscribe and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe while you leave. Thank you. And hit the bell icon before you leave and subscribe.